Hey guys, just a quick update. We just released a new feature called Solid Trim. It's for trimming solids, of course, but let's say you import an SVG file and you have overlapping geometry. That's not very good if you want to cut it. So click Solid Trim and that will trim the overlapping areas of that geometry. But let's have a look in the CAD CAM and I'll show you how it works. I just pulled down the NASA logo from their website, which was an SVG file. If I click on this blue circle, M short key, and click and drag here, you will see that this is a complete circle, but I want cutouts, like the NASA text, the stars, and yeah, everything here. I want those to be cut out from that solid. So I hit escape. In the Tools tab, you will find a new command called Trim Solids. I click that, select all the geometry and hit enter. Now when I take this, M for move, you will see there are cutouts here, and there are also cutouts here, and yeah, these are already good. So that's a really nice upgrade if you are doing like tiles and stone cutting, or maybe cutting out yeah, I don't know, turf or whatever. If you're using logos, this is super nice feature, and it's included in our subscription license, of course. Otherwise you'll find it in our tile maker module. So that was it for this. Thank you guys, as always. Catch you in the next one.